Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do ing, ang, ong, ang. Ing, ang, ong, ang. Can you do that fast? Ing, ang, ong, ang, ing, ang, ong, ang. Okay. Burra, ing, bring. Burra, ing, bring. Bring me a present. Wow. Thank you. You're going to bring me a present. R, ing, ring. R-ing, ring. I'm wearing a ring. Or I hear the telephone ring. Tring, tring. Or I hear the doorbell ring. Ding dong. Someone's there. Sir-ing, sing. Sir-ing, sing. Sing. Sing a song of sixpence, pocket full of rye. 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to place before the king? Sing, king. Ba-a-nga bang, ba-a-nga bang. Hear me play on my drum. Playing drums is so much fun with a bang, 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 bang. Playing drums is so much fun. Sir-o-nga song, sir-o-nga song. Sing a song of sixpence, pocket full of rye. 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. Ba-a-nga bank, ba-a-nga bank. I'm going to the bank. And why am I going to the bank? I'm going to the bank to get some money because there's money in my bank. Ba-a-nga bank, wa-e-nga wink, wa-e-nga wink. And now I'm going to wink at you. I'm going to blink at you. So wink is one eye and blink is two eyes. Sir-e-nga sink, sir-e-nga sink. There's a pink sink near the ice skating rink, I think. Sir-e-nga sink, per-e-nga pink, per-e-nga pink. There's a puff out and puff, 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 puffing out candles, puff, puff, puffing out candles, puff, puff, puffing out candles on the pretty pink cake. Her-o-nga honk, her-o-nga honk. Driving in my car, I'm honking my horn. Driving in my car, I'm honking my horn. Honk, honk, honk. Ba-a-nga bunk, ba-a-nga bunk. I'm sleeping in my bunk bed, bunk bed, bunk bed. I'm sleeping in my bunk bed. I climb up and I sleep on the top. Bala-e-nga blink. I showed you what is blink. Blink. Ah, he's blinking. Dara-e-nga drink. Dara-e-nga drink. Who is drinking water today? Water today, water today. Who is drinking Coke today? Not good to drink Coke. Who's drinking juice today? Pula-a-nga plank. Pula-a-nga plank. He's walking on the plank. Or there's a big plank of wood and then I cut it and then I can make a desk or a table. Tara-a-nga trunk. Tara-a-nga trunk. I went to the animals fair. The birds and the bees were there. The big baboon by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. The monkey fell from his bunk. He fell on the elephant's trunk. The elephant sneezed, ah, choo, and fell on his knees. And what became of the monkey, monkey, monkey? What became to the monkey? What happened to him? He got smashed because the elephant sneezed, fell on his knees. He fell on the monkey. Okay. E-n-ka ink. E-n-ka ink. And Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink. That's ink. I use an ink pen. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spilt all over the desk. E-e-e. Inky is wet. Fully wet. And ink stains a lot. sank. Sank. The coin sank right down to the bottom. Link. Link. We're making links or chains. Link. Lots of links, and that's how I form a chain, a linky chain. Blank. Oh my God, my head just went blank. Nothing in my head. Or I'm writing on a blank sheet of paper. Clunk. Clunk. Choo-choo is coming. He's clunking up the tracks. Hear the choo-choo coming? He's climbing up or clunking up, clunk, 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 up the tracks. Wing. Wing. Who has wings? Butterflies, birds, insects, ladybugs, dragonflies, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes have wings. They should not have had wings because they can just fly and bite you all over the place. I don't like those mosquitoes. Hang. Hang. I'm going to hang my clothes up. Long. Oh my goodness, you know what? We found a long python, the longest snake. He was over 9 feet long and he was so fat. Slither, slither goes the long snake. Slither, slither goes the long snake. Sting. Sting. That's a bee and he's coming to sting you. Here is the beehive. Where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Watch them come creeping out of the hives. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. Is he going to come and zzz? Is he going to come and sting you? I hope not. Don't trouble him. He's a good bee. Spring. Spring. Spring is here, spring is here. How do you think I know? I just saw a bee, and that is how I know. Do the bee walk? Strut your thing, you do the bee walk. Do anything, do the bee walk. And then you look for another sign of spring. What's another sign of spring? Flowers, birds, butterflies, bees. I already said bees. I love spring. Spring is such a beautiful time of the year. Singing. I'm singing in the rain. I'm dancing in the rain and singing in the rain. I'm having a wonderful time in the rain. King. King. The king lives in a palace with a queen and he wears a crown on his head. Sung. Sung. I heard he sang a good song. He has sung a song just now. Rang. Rang. I rang the bell. Ding dong, ding dong. Clang. Clang. The cymbals are going clang, clang, clang. Clang. So swing. Swing. Swing high, swing low. Put your legs out and then tuck them below. That's how you swing. Swing high, swing low. Put your legs out and then tuck them below. And that's how you go higher and higher. Ding. Dong. Ding dong. Ding dong goes the bell. Stung. Stung. The bee stung me. Oh, it's so painful. And then your finger will become swollen up. So it's better not to get a bee. Don't let a bee sting you, or don't get stung by a bee. Sling. Sling. I'm putting my hand in a sling because I hurt myself. The doctor said, hey Shirley, don't move your hand. Put it in a sling and keep it stiff like that. And don't go and do naughty things like playing games and sports. Furler inga fling. Furler inga fling. I fling it. I fling it means I throw it. I fling the ball up in the air. Per inga ping. Per inga ping. Per onga pong. Per onga pong. Let's play ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Let's play ping pong all day long. Le a nga lung. Le a nga lung. When I breathe in, the air goes into my lungs. It's behind my chest. And when I breathe out, all the carbon dioxide comes out and the air goes out of my lungs. I breathe in, the oxygen goes in. Breathe in, lung. Surtera onga strong. Surtera onga strong. My ya is so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my ya cannot do. Ya means Yahweh. Okay, that's my God. My ya is so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my ya cannot do. He's big and strong. Curler inga cling. Curler inga cling. The baby monkey clings to the mummy monkey because the mummy monkey keeps climbing up all those trees. So the baby monkey really has to cling to the mother monkey. Sir Nga sang, Sir Nga sang. I heard he sang a good song, I heard he had the tune. It's a beautiful song. Her Nga hung, Her Nga hung. I hung it on a hanger. Surtera Nga string, Surtera Nga string. I wonder if you say that, you care. If you say you love me madly, I'll gladly be there, like a puppet on a string. Okay, Surtera inga string. Be-la onga belong. Be-la onga belong. I belong to God. Who do you belong to? I belong to God. And now you're going to help me blend. You're going to help me make trains. We go from the first sound to the last. Are you ready? Bring, bring, ring, ring, sing, sing, bang, bang, song, song, bank, bank, wink, wink, sink, sink, pink, pink, honk, honk, bunk, bunk, blink, blink. I hope you're reading with me. Drink, drink, plank, plank, trunk, trunk, ink, ink, sank, sank, link, link, blank, blank, clunk, clunk, wing, wing, hang, hang, long, long, sting, sting, spring, spring, singing, singing, king, king, sung, sung, rang, rang, clang, clang, swing, swing, ding, ding, dong, dong, stung, stung, sling, sling, fling, fling, ping, ping, pong, pong, lung, lung, strong, strong, cling, cling, sang, sang, hung, hung, string, string, belong, belong. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.